In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook ads location targeting radius from miles to kilometers. This can be a nifty trick if you're accustomed to using the metric system and prefer to see distances in kilometers. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you need to make your way over to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find this by searching for Facebook Ads Manager through your preferred search engine. Once you have the Ads Manager page open, locate and click on Go to Ads Manager. This will take you to the login page if you're not already signed in. Enter your email and password and then click on Log In. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself in the campaign dashboard. From here, navigate to the ad sets section. Now, if you have multiple ad sets running, you'll want to select the specific one where you wish to adjust your location targeting settings. Once selected, go ahead and click on Edit. On the editing page, scroll down to find the All Locations section. Here's where you would usually type in a location, but at this point you'll notice there's no option to switch from miles to kilometers directly. So let's see what we need to do to fix that. Head over to the All Tools menu. Here you will select Business Settings, then proceed to click on Settings. In the Settings pane, look for Languages Settings. Once you're there, you'll see options under App Language. Click on Account Language and change it to English UK. Then confirm your choice by clicking OK. With your language setting now adjusted, you'll need to return to the Ad Sets location area. Refresh the page to ensure the changes take effect. Now, when you type in a location, you should see that the distance unit has indeed changed from miles to kilometers, thanks to the language adjustment. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to swap your Facebook ads location targeting measurements to the metric system. By simply adjusting the language settings to English UK, you've managed to customize the Ads Manager interface to better suit your preferences. If you ever wish to switch back, all you need to do is change the language setting to a variant that uses miles, such as English US. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now able to manage your ad campaigns with greater ease. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below.